try the normal jack to see how it gets on.
Yeah. Okay.
The other thing is, we've got the M25.
Which movie?
And what I've been doing, and Jack was with the hose pipe, not this hose pipe, got another one, a hand one.
That'd be for you. Yeah.
Go on then, Karen.
Do you want to go first?
You're on yours first, so you've got that's your bias, that's where it's going to curve into. That's going to go from, so there you go, isn't it? Yeah. So what you do,
Yeah, before we put
stand on the mat,
I'll
then
do these again, I'll tell you the
way
weekend.
that you want
I'll
this
pay Monday
bias
anyway.
to go. So if you're going that way, you want that bias on that right hand side.
Now you can't even see.
So that's your bias. So when you get down, all you do is just come through like that. Okay? Bias is your own side, that's your right-handed.
Nice line.
Right, now which way do you want to go?
We'll go right.
Right, left and right. Be turning this way then.
You're not
Turn
sure.
yourself round. Point your feet where you want the wood to go. So when you come through,
Hoping to see it. Yeah.
that foot comes through. When you come through with that arm at the side of your leg.
All on your way now.
The way I eat bread is a very thick, and I aim it
Bit short.
Don't be turning.
not aim it
You've got the line. You've got the line, look.
Got the line.
You always stay on the mat until you're both finished, and then you can see how much you need to adjust either way. Not overdo it. So which way you going? Yeah, so go both feet on the mat. Right, you mind if I put my hands on your shoulders? Right, you just need to turn a little bit. That's it. So when you come forward, yeah, that's it. So keep that arm nice and straight. Don't let your elbow bend.
Oh, that was a good one, Karen.
Oh, you're a natural. You're a natural, yeah. You'll be practicing.
Go on then. Is it filming? Is it filming? Are you filming? Are you filming?
Don't peek yet.
I will start strong, don't worry.
So again, both feet on the mat.
Am I using these?
Yeah, because when you step off, you leave one foot on the mat. Okay.
Which is the bias?
Good line, mate.
Just to the right of that red wood.
Turn it over. Smaller range. That's the bias. You want that on the, if you're running that, you want that on the inside of it. Yeah?
Nothing's wrong with that.
Position on, chub.
It's not me, is it? Go on, Dad. Yeah. Which one's yours? The further one? I wasn't watching. Mine closer.
To the moment, till I hit it. That elbow nice and straight. Imagine a pendulum on a clock.
Oh, maybe I've got to slow it down with it with it
So
being a bit.
across the pendulum.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Karen.
So stand on your mat again.
Yeah. No, I don't.
Feet the way you want to go.
Better.
No, I haven't quite got the...
No, but you've got the
A bit more distance.
straightness,
You've
haven't
got
you?
the line.
You've got the line, that's it. Yeah. Power.
Power.
Well, you'll get round it.
Right, but...
When you get round it, see, just point your feet in the right direction so your arm comes past your leg.
That's holding it, does it?
You still hold it.
I'm not quite sure where the bias is.
There's the little circle. That's the little circle. And that's the big one. See, that one has a little and a big. So that one's the bias. So if you turn right, what's the inside of you? Yeah. So if you turn left,
Right to left.
you want that on the other side. Right to left. Yeah. Like that. Yeah? Yeah. If you, oh, sorry, this side again.
Did you?
Which one's yours? The other side, like, okay.
It's just waiting for you to knock it back.
She's competitive, yeah.
Yeah. I should have gone
straight instead of hooking across a little bit.
Yeah.
You've also got to judge the length, haven't you? You know, not so much power. Better.
We're getting close to it. Right, length. And you got the weight. Could be good. Oh, it's not coming in quite. Morning.
I've got one to go.
Oh, trying to get free. Watching through.
Yeah, I